Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today I'm here with my little brother Christian. Okay, one more time. Just say hi. Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today I'm here with my little brother Christian.
Hello.
And I'm going to be cutting and styling his curly hair. Disclaimer, I am not an expert. I'm not a curly hairstylist. I've never cut curly hair before. So this will be my first time. And let's just hope for the best. Here is his hair. It's very curly. He doesn't use any products or anything. So he just kind of lets it go. So we're just gonna give it a little trim and a little shape up and a little style.
Yeah, I regret this.
So I'm just giving him a curl by curl haircut, which is how I get my haircut. I get dry curly haircuts so that they can just do curl by curl and kind of see what it's gonna look like normally instead of cutting the hair when it's wet, because with curly hair, your hair looks so different when it's wet versus when it's dry. So you wanna get it cut when it's dry in its normal state. I'm just giving him a couple layers just to lift this up a little bit, make it more of like a rounded shape so he has more volume and he can actually see. Do a little face framing, and I'm just grabbing each curl and just cutting. See how when I pull that out, like I'll pull this one out, and then it lays right there, so it's more of a rounded shape. So nothing too crazy. He likes his hair length, so we just want to trim it and make it better. Is this a bang? Yeah, so you'll see this bang. A little shorter so he can see. There we go. It's crazy because his hair is really healthy and all he uses is that 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo. What would you like me to do with this? To be a bang, or do you want it to go to the side? Well, don't mess up the bangs I just did. Where'd they go? It's kind of hard to mess up curly hair. Like, it's difficult to mess it up because, you know, it's very forgiving. See how much more volume he has already? Just like that, that's what we're aiming for. That looks good. See, he's getting more volume. This side especially. Just lots of volume up here. We're getting some bangs. He can see a little better. Getting some shape. He's gonna feel refreshed. Okay, so we did the cut and now we're going to just style it a little bit. He doesn't normally style his hair. He would normally just go like this, which is totally fine because it looks pretty good. He's got volume, he's got curls, it's fine. But I'm gonna style it because I'm here and it's gonna be fun. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna wet his hair a little bit with the sink. So, sorry. So I'm going to use my favorite Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. Not too much. He doesn't have a ton of hair and it's expensive and it's my favorite product, so I'm not gonna use too much of him. I'm just gonna put this all through the hair. I like styling creams and lotions, but I can't use them alone. I always need a mousse or a gel to hold them in, but they do make the curls look very moisturized. Glad, buddy. Okay, so I have his hair pretty like wetted down. You can do some finger coiling on these. I like to do it on the front curls especially because those are the ones that you're really gonna see. So I just finger coil. It just kind of helps encourage the little ringlets. Because his hair's like, yeah. I'm just gonna use some Tresemme mousse. So we're just going to like go through. Now we are going to diffuse.
burning it.
Oh, sorry.
Definitely scorched the hair.
Sorry. Thanks for watching.